Here in the video, we are going to talk about Fidelity Investments Error Code 013011. The error reads, your account is restricted from placing market orders outside of market trading hours through the electronic channels. You may enter a limit order up to the available equity buying power in your account. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to set up a recurring investment or place a market order using the app or website. According to our research, this error is triggered when a user tries to place a market order outside of regular market trading hours. It is not related to the available funds in the account. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to place your order during regular market hours. This error typically shows up because you are trying to place a market order after hours. So try again during market hours and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes even during market hours, then we suggest you reach out to the Fidelity support team. So teens, they can help review your account and assist you with the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.